Your 2014-2016 Nissan Rogue key fob uses a CR2032 battery. When the range of your key fob decreases significantly, or it becomes unresponsive, it's time for a battery replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or coin. Purchase a quality CR2032 battery. These typically cost between $2 and $5. Gather your tools and new battery on a clean, well-lit surface. Locate the small indentation on the edge of your key fob. Use your flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the key fob casing at this point. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you could damage the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up, positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Align the two halves of the key fob casing and gently snap them back together until you hear a click. Test the key fob by locking and unlocking your car from a distance to ensure the new battery works.